Now for the last question, we want to see what percentage of the learner's day is consisting of break time. So we need to express the break time, we must express as a percentage. So we can first go see how long has been the time spent for breaks. So there's a 15-minute, there's another 15-minute there, there's another 15 minutes, there's another 15 minutes there. So in total, this student is going to basically use 60 minutes for break time. Now we must express these 60 minutes as a percentage. So how do you write a number as a percentage? You take the 60 minutes that you're finding here out of, so over the total. So we need to find the total. So if you were to add all of this, the length, the duration of the whole day there, if you add all of this here, you are going to get a total of 690. So we're going to say 60 divide by 690. And then to get a percentage, the final thing, we always have 2 times by 100 to get the final percentage. And then you are going to get 8,695, but then we round to 2 decimals, so the 5 will change this 9 to be a 10, carry the 1, the 6 becomes then a 7. So the final answer will be 8,7, you can put a 0 there, percentage there.